Hello friends. Hope you all are fine and watching the videos regularly, as it is very important to learn English. We are going to learn some new expressions today, which are used in our day-to-day life. The first one starts with how was. Watch till the end without skipping the video.
How was the party last night?
How was the exam?
How was your first day in your college?
How was the meeting?
How was the dinner?
How was the play?
How was the vacation?
How was your visit to her home?
How was the book?
How was her behavior in the classroom?
How was the cake?
How was your friend's birthday party?
How was the ceremony?
How was your trip to Puri?
How was your school today?
Please like the video and keep watching. The next expressions start with what if.
What if I miss the train?
What if she refuses to marry you?
What if someone comes at the moment?
What if we fail to do that?
What if he calls again?
What if you got very less marks?
What if your father gets to know about all this?
What if he asks for money?
What if it takes a long time?
What if more people come to feast?
What if it breaks?
What if they don't come?
What if she gets late?
What if we can't find a heart?
What if the doctor forgets?
The last expressions for today start with how much does it cost to? How much does it cost to make an STD call?
How much does it cost to buy this flat?
How much does it cost to rent the house?
How much does it cost to buy a gift?
How much does it cost to reconstruct the house?
How much does it cost to visit Connacht?
How much does it cost to rent a car?
How much does it cost to join your JYM?
How much does it cost to fly to America?
How much does it cost to stay here for one day?
How much does it cost to buy a car?
How much does it cost to build a temple?
How much does it cost to own a house? Thank you for watching.